I have received this Schroninger bicycle air pump which has a capacity of 100 psi. Now I will replace the water bottle cage and simultaneously try to install it along with the portable 200-gram Schrodinger air pump. Which I received a short while ago. All the 29 inches bicycle need about 25 to 30 psi, and we should check the air pressure prior to every bike ride. To avoid hassles of pushing the punctured bicycle, we should keep some tools and portable air pump with us. It can be used for Presta and Schrader valves because there are two outlets. It has an extended lever which can be hanged along with the cage. You don't have to remove the cage, but let's prove it practically that it can be installed along with the cage. First of all, I am opening the front handlebar back and then remove the cycle tool kit because we have to use tricky to open the cage and remove the same screws from here. Because since those products are more useful, we can place the water bottle in the front bag, but you can't avoid the basic necessity, that is air pressure. It has a Schrader valve. I'm not checking the extended plate provided with that air pump because I know that I can place the water bottle in the bag, but can't avoid. The drawback of placing a 200-gram compact air pump anywhere else, because I don't used to carry any shoulder bag during my normal exercise routine and bike ride. So I will try to install it simultaneously, but even if I fail to install simultaneously, I will prefer to keep bicycle pump. There are other options also. I can extend that lever also, and let's hope I will install the cage also. Yes, the cage can also be placed. Where should I keep the direction? in the left or right. But according to the design, it should be installed in the left portion only. So both holes are matched precisely. It means that product is specially made for these types of bicycles. It has a mountain tire, so according to the specification I should fill 25 to 30 psi or 2 kilogram per centimeter square. My bicycle air pump gauge possesses 2 least counts. Since that was earlier used for my Indigo car, that's why I'm not sure why they are using kilogram per centimeter cube, because that is the least count of or IUPAC least count of density. We'll try to find out afterwards, but I should remove this air pump and then install the I'm not sure if the screw will be sufficient enough for both cage and will be tighten it when the length of the existing screw is not sufficient large. Still I will try to push these screw hard by placing the camera there, and if I fail to do the same I will replace the cage and buy the new screw afterwards and end this review one box. I will de-inflate it and then now the pressure has reached less than 20 psi. It needs some arm pressure. I think this pressure pump is working efficiently. And it's worthwhile to place it here. Still, I will try to find these screws which are larger enough to compensate some width of this cage also. If there are no holes here, or if there is a possibility, I will try to use the thinner portion of the same cage. So I will photograph the screw or try searching it in the internet.